Hi, coming back here. This is the newer car. Just getting it prepped, ready to put in. One thing about these gaskets that come on the Predator, if you put this one in the wrong way around, the one that doesn't have the yellow seals on it, you will restrict the throttle butterflies, because if you put it in there like that, you'll actually jam them. So make sure you put this in the right way around. It's not really evident until you try and turn it. You put it all together, and we're going to put this on here, screw it in. It's not evident until you get it all together and you're like, why the hell can't I, what did I do? Did I break this? And you haven't, it's just locked up. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this and put the back on it. Make sure we're around the right way. Pinch everything together. You need 6 hands. Right. Here, 8s. Heck of a long bolt too. You don't have to, you need them tight but not break the casting tight, obviously. Check the butterfly before you think you're done. Make sure that the choke butterfly and throttle butterflies can actually physically return and open. I'm just looking down the throat to make sure there's no restriction. And yes, it can open and close freely. Right. Now, I'll try and show you putting it on the Cushman. It could be a chore. This is a different style fuel solenoid, and I've already removed the pin for now. But we've got to put this in like this, weave it into the manifold, and then we have to put this riser and these gaskets around the right way. These gaskets with the holes on the riser in the right place towards the front, because you've got a screw going down through here and 2 on the corner. So you have a gasket below it, the gasket above it, and again you need like 9 hands to do the damn thing. So we'll see. So this goes up under here, and then you got the manifold that splits and sits in here. And that's a silly design. It's just cumbersome. I'm going to attempt to put it on, and we'll see. I'll take her out there. It's just windy as heck. I've got the Cushman pushed into an area that's not completely exposed, but we'll give it a whirl. And it's freezing. Alright, here we go.